In this video, I'm going to show you how to report a scam on Telegram using the PC app, step by step. If someone is sending fake offers, suspicious links, impersonation messages, or anything that looks like a scam, reporting it can help protect you and other users. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's get into it. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your PC and go to the chat or channel that you believe is a scam. Make sure you've opened the correct conversation before you take action, especially if the account is pretending to be someone else. Once you're inside the chat, look to the top right corner. You should see the three dots menu, or in some cases, you may need to click the channel name at the top to open more options. Now click the three dots or the channel name to bring up the menu. From that list, select Report. Telegram will then ask you why you want to report the chat, and this is where you should choose Scam as the reason. Choosing the right reason helps Telegram review the account properly and identify harmful activity faster. After you submit the report, don't stop there. The next important step is to block the user. Blocking stops them from messaging you again and helps reduce the chance of future contact. So after reporting, select Block User and confirm it. This is a simple but important final step that adds another layer of protection to your account. If the scam came from a channel, the process is very similar. Open the channel. Click the name at the top or the menu in the upper corner, choose Report, and then select Scam. Telegram may also give you the option to leave the channel or block the related account, depending on the situation. Again, always block the source if it's a direct user account. It's also a good idea to avoid clicking any links, downloading files, or sharing personal information with suspicious accounts before you report them. If you already interacted with a scammer, take a moment to review any sensitive information you may have shared and secure your other accounts if needed. So, to quickly recap, open the chat or channel, click the three dots or the channel name, choose Report, select Scam, and then block the user. That's the fastest way to report a scam on Telegram from the PC app. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.